Yo, DeMarcus Duhar, man. We are back. Sunny California. We out here with Fifi. Fifi the dog, man. Might make a little dog channel for Fifi, man. Like I said, we out here, man. I want you guys to understand that right now is the best time to start putting in puts. Start putting in puts because the stock market always goes down in September. Remember that. Stock market always goes down in September. So you can make money going down as well as making money going up. So right now in September, you can make money going down. Realize that you don't have to always rely on thinking, oh, the stock got to do good for me to make money, when you can make a put, which is basically you're betting that the stock is going to go down. If you guys don't have your options available, you guys can always open up a trading account on either brokerage, Robinhood, Fidelity, Moomoo account, and Webull. I have a link down in the description down below for a Webull account or a Fidelity account. So you can always open that. So that's never going to be a problem for you to make money on the upside or the downside. The thing is, guys, you guys got to know that you can make money on the upside or the downside. Most people don't teach you that, and they're not going to teach you that you can make money both ways. So that's something that I'm here for, and my mentors teach me. So I'm just teaching you guys what they teach me. It's the best thing you can do for yourself is to invest in the stock market. Right now, stocks are failing. They are falling. So make money on the downside, guys. Best way to do it. And I will be having a comprehensive guide video coming out pretty soon. Right now, as you can see, I'm traveling. I'm on the road. I'm out here beating the road. I'm out here getting it. So you guys, man, if I liked your like, comment, or subscribe, share this video to friends and family or anybody interested in the stock market, and we'll take it from there. Peace.